Nothing starts off the day quite as well as a shiny, squeaky clean car, but getting your car polished every now and then can be expensive. But why pay when you can do it yourself with a car polisher? If you're looking for the best car polisher for you that's available on the market today, here are 5 excellent options we found. Here are the top 5 best car polishers. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the ENEACRO Polisher. The ENEACRO O Polisher is a versatile tool that caters to both amateur car enthusiasts and professionals looking to achieve a flawless finish on their vehicles. With a powerful 900-watt motor, this polisher delivers impressive performance, effortlessly tackling tasks such as waxing, polishing, and buffing. One of the standout features of the ENEACRO Polisher is its variable speed settings, ranging from 1,500 to 3,800 RPM. This allows users to adjust the speed according to the specific job, whether it's applying a fine polish or removing oxidation. The ergonomic design, complete with a comfortable grip and lightweight construction, ensures ease of use during extended sessions. The included accessories such as foam pads and wool pads provide versatility for various polishing needs. Additionally, the polisher features a safety lock switch, which adds an extra layer of security during operation. However, do note that there are a few drawbacks to consider. Some users may find that the polisher lacks a more robust instruction manual, making it difficult for beginners to fully understand its capabilities. Additionally, while the power is impressive, some may prefer a slightly quieter operation. Overall, the ENEACRO Polisher is a reliable and efficient tool for achieving professional-grade results at home. Its combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly design makes it a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their car's appearance with minimal effort. The 4th product on this list is the BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer. The BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer is an excellent tool for automotive enthusiasts and those looking to maintain the shine of their vehicles without the hassle of cords. This battery-operated buffer combines convenience with impressive performance, making it a standout option for both beginners and seasoned detailers. One of the most notable features of the BATOCA buffer is its lightweight and ergonomic design. Weighing in at just over 3 pounds, it is easy to maneuver, allowing for comfortable use during extended detailing sessions. The cordless functionality adds a level of freedom that traditional buffers lack, enabling users to reach all areas of their vehicle without being tethered to an outlet. Performance-wise, the BATOCA buffer comes with variable speed settings, ranging from 1,500 to 3,000 RPM, which allows users to adjust the power according to their needs. It efficiently handles tasks such as waxing, polishing, and buffing, leaving surfaces with a smooth, glossy finish. However, do note that some users may find the battery life a bit limiting for larger projects, as it lasts around 30 to 40 minutes on a full charge. Additionally, while the included foam pads are effective, investing in higher quality pads may yield even better results. The BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer is a solid choice for anyone looking to simplify their car care routine. Its portability, ease of use, and effective performance make it a valuable addition to any detailing toolkit. Still haven't found the best car polisher for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Chemical Guys Buff 503X TORQX. The Chemical Guys Buff 503X TORQX is a standout dual-action polisher that caters to both beginners and experienced detailers seeking to achieve professional quality results at home. Designed for versatility, this polisher excels at a variety of tasks, from polishing and waxing to sanding and buffing, making it an all-in-one tool for automotive enthusiasts. One of the key features of the TORQX is its powerful 700-watt motor, which provides consistent performance across its variable speed settings, ranging from 1,800 to 4,800 orbits per minute. This allows users to adjust the speed based on the job, whether it's applying a finishing polish or tackling tougher oxidation. The ergonomic design and comfortable grip enhance usability, minimizing fatigue during extended sessions. The TORQX also comes with a 6-inch backing plate, accommodating various pad sizes for maximum flexibility. Additionally, the included instruction manual offers helpful tips for beginners, making it accessible for those new to polishing. However, do note that the weight of the unit may be slightly heavier than some other models, which could be a consideration for those with smaller hands. Additionally, while the polisher performs well, investing in higher quality pads can significantly enhance the overall results. The Chemical Guys Buff 503X TORQX is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their car detailing game. Its combination of power, ease of use, and versatility makes it a valuable tool for achieving that showroom shine. The second product on this list is the SPTA Orbital Car Polisher. The SPTA Orbital Car Polisher is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed to help both beginners and experienced detailers achieve a professional finish on their vehicles. Featuring a powerful 900-watt motor, this polisher delivers consistent performance, making it ideal for a variety of applications, from polishing and waxing to buffing and sanding. One of the standout features of the SPTA polisher is its dual-action operation, which combines rotary and orbital motion. This helps minimize the risk of paint damage while providing an even and thorough finish. With variable speed settings ranging from 1,500 to 6,000 RPM, users can easily adjust the speed to suit different tasks, ensuring optimal results for various surfaces. The ergonomic design, complete with a comfortable grip and lightweight construction, makes it easy to maneuver, even during long detailing sessions. The included foam pads are effective for various polishing needs, although upgrading to higher quality pads can enhance performance. However, do note that some users might find the power cord slightly short, which could limit mobility in larger spaces. Additionally, while the user manual provides basic guidance, more detailed instructions could be beneficial for beginners. Overall, the SPTA Orbital Car Polisher is a reliable and efficient tool for anyone looking to maintain or restore their vehicle's shine. Its combination of power, ease of use, and effective performance makes it a solid addition to any detailing arsenal. Before we reveal the top car polisher on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, the top car polisher is the Adams Polish's Swirl Killer. The Adams Polish's Swirl Killer is a powerful and efficient dual-action polisher designed for detailers who want to achieve a flawless finish on their vehicles. Known for its exceptional performance, the Swirl Killer excels at eliminating imperfections such as swirls, scratches, and oxidation, making it an essential tool for both professionals and enthusiasts. One of the standout features is its robust 900-watt motor, which offers a variable speed range of 2,000 to 5,000 OPM, or orbits per minute. This flexibility allows users to adjust the speed according to their specific needs, whether they're applying a heavy compound or finishing polish. The ergonomic design, complete with a comfortable grip, minimizes fatigue during extended use, making it easy to maneuver around curves and tight spaces. The Swirl Killer is compatible with a wide range of backing plates and pads, providing versatility for various detailing tasks. Additionally, its durable construction ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment. However, do note that the polisher is somewhat heavier than some alternatives, which may pose a challenge for users with limited strength. Furthermore, while the included manual offers basic guidance, more detailed tutorials would benefit beginners. The Adams Polish's Swirl Killer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their car detailing routine. With its powerful performance and user-friendly features, it effectively delivers the professional results that detailers desire, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic Techs You Can't Live Without videos. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below.